Before any repair begins, you should show wide shots of the whole area, close-up shots of the actual damage, and photos that include something for scale, like a tape measure or a common object next to the problem. After the repair, you take those exact same angles again, so the before and after images line up and tell a clear story of what changed. Think of it like taking a picture of a messy room, then cleaning it up and standing in the exact same spot to take another picture. That way anyone looking at both photos can instantly see the difference without needing you to explain anything. The trick that most homeowners never think about is lighting and angle consistency. If your before photo is taken in bright morning sun and your after photo is taken at night with a flash, the colors and shadows can make the work look worse or hide the quality of what was actually done. Professionals also like to take what is called a context shot, which just means a photo that is zoomed out enough to show the surrounding area, like the whole wall or the whole roof section, not just the tiny patch that got fixed, because this helps prove the repair fits in naturally with everything around it. Another detail almost nobody talks about is time-stamping your photos either through your phone settings or by holding up a small whiteboard with a date written on it, since this becomes powerful proof later if there's ever a dispute about when the work was completed. Taking a few seconds to snap these extra angles can save you hours of arguing down the road. One common mistake is only taking the after photo and forgetting the before shot entirely, so there's nothing to compare it to, and the simple fix is to always snap a quick picture the moment you notice the problem, even before you call anyone. Another mistake is standing in a slightly different spot for the after photo, which distorts the comparison, so try to use a landmark, like a light switch or a corner of the room, to line yourself up the same way both times. A lot of people also forget to photograph the materials or parts that were used, and having a picture of the new part or product can be incredibly helpful if something breaks again later and you need to match it. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Job Bid Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.